Hi guys, it's Carrie from Luxembourg. Welcome to my channel. I'm here today to show you a flip through of my finished design team project for Artymaze. This is a bee themed, tall, skinny journal, a very stuffed full one. I've used nearly all of her bee kits and her spring blossom kit. So let's have a look at this beauty. I used 2 layers of cardstock for the cover and put fabric on them. I used heat and bond for the first time and quite liked the way that turned out. It was easy to use. She's got 2 sari silk ribbons on the spine and just a little dangle on each one. These can be taken off because they're put on with ball pins. And I've just got a little collage on the front with an image. This is an image from Mrs. Cog, one of my favorite ones in her beekeeper's kit. And just some vintage lace, some sari silk, and a little a bee charm and a vintage button. And the closure is with chiffon silk. I didn't trust the sari silk because, as you can see, she is busting full, and I wanted something a little bit sturdier than the sari silk, but I like the color combination of this anyway. So let's have a look inside. So obviously she's one very full signature. I haven't counted the pages, but I think there's more than 100 in there, back and front. I'll have to rethink maybe some of the ephemera that's in it because she really is just too fat. Some of the, I mean, she does lay flat, that's one thing, but just keeping her that way is a little bit difficult. So, in the front pocket, which is just some embossed a book page layered onto cardstock to make it sturdy, and just got a little pocket down here. Got some just some waxed ephemera in here, and a little journaling card on vintage book page with an embossed bee. And then I've got a tag from the kit, which is backed, and a little postcard with a little stamped bee on it. Now this paper here is from Andrea's wallpaper, one of her wallpaper kits. So in here we have a large pocket with some lace and just a little journaling card, and then a piece of ephemera. This is from her French ephemera kit, I think it's called. Yeah, I think it's French ephemera. That just tucks in there. And then here we got another tag from the kit in a lace pocket. So some more beautiful images from the kit. Now I used the Bee Garden extras. I think this is in the extras. No, this is from the portrait kit actually. The Bee Garden extras, the Bee Garden add-on kit, and the portrait bee pages. This is the portrait bee pages. There's some, I just printed on some tracing paper, and here we've got a vellum pocket with a tag in it. I'll put it in later. She's so full. And just some lace on this, lovely. This is from the Spring Blossom kit. And that's again the portrait bee page. Some stenciling on this one and some stitching around it. Got a big belly band on this one. And this is where I think I should rethink some of the ephemera because it's quite thick. But I made a little booklet with some stenciling and some embossed paper with some wax to give it a bit of a shimmer. I think the camera's picking that up, and then there's a tuck spot on the back. But like I said, this is something I might have to rethink because it does add quite a bit of thickness to the journal. Now the belly band as well, I have a couple of hexagons that I punched out. This is a little sign from the kit, and then some more of that embossed waxed paper in the background. Some vintage book page here, another page from the Portrait Bee page kit. And then here, this is one of the background pages. And this is a pocket that I cut out of one of the pages. I think this was actually from the Bee Garden add-on kit. There's some collage pages on that, and I cut out a pocket from that and just added one of the signs from the kit. And I made this this tag to put in and just backed it. And as well here, I might have to rethink things like this because they do add on quite a bit of thickness to the journal. Here we have a flip out, just with a little window. Hope you can see that. And on this side we have a little flip. Also, this is from, this is either from the Bee Garden kit or the Bee Garden Traveler's Notebook size kit, because these are two separate images that I printed out. And here's a little tuck spot. I've just got a waxed image there, and that's from Mrs. Cog. And then up here, just a little booklet with some extra journaling space, which I just stamped on, and I added a little bee up there. This is some more. I think this is also from the French Ephemera kit, and I printed that on newsprint. Here's some more. This is the Spring Blossom kit, and then here this big envelope can be removed, and in here I have a tag also from the kit, and I've backed it with some book page which can be written on. I'll carry on. Here we've got a bottom tuck, and I've just put some vintage ledger in there, and this opens up, and we've just got a waxed journaling card in there that I've stamped. I wanted to put a charm on here as well, but it just became too bulky and I was worried it might dent this page here. This is from the Spring Blossom kit. And then in this little tuck spot here, we've got a little journaling card with some little stamps from the kit. There's a tuck spot in the back here. Just a little booklet in there. Oops. I go. Oh, it's a bit of a tight squeeze. And then there's a journaling card that sticks in this pocket there. Some vintage music paper with some, I never know the word in English, Spachtelmasse. Yes, I think you know what it is. Here we got just a label, a tag, and with a tuck spot with a journaling card with some journaling space on the back. Flips over, printed on some tracing paper again. This is, I think this is the Kew Garden colouring book. This page, I'm not sure, but I think it is. If you want to know, then just leave me a comment in the comment section and I'll have a look. This is also in the kit. I thought this belonged in here. I waxed it as well. Just a little tuck spot there. This is also a little sign from the kit. This flips out, and in the pocket here we have another little booklet with extra journaling space. And here we have a flip out. Here another journaling card, and behind this tuck spot a big label, or a big tag, sorry, not label. In this one, this can be removed and journaled on. It's an acetate pocket. There you go. And that flips open and you see the bee on the other side. Here we've just got a little paper collage up here with a little leaf tied on, and I added this stamp because I just like the colours. And on the other side, there's a little key up there. This is another in French ephemera piece. There's a little fabric tipping with a little bee up there to add some colour. Love this these colours here in the kit. They're absolutely gorgeous. This is also the Spring Blossom kit. That's the centre. And then there's the other side and the other tipping. And there's a little cluster here with tickets and a piece of Tim Holtz fabric. And here another one of these flip outs with just a check in there. And this little card looks like this. In that little window pocket, if I can get this back in. Oh, I'll do that later. And just a little doily there, and then we have a pocket here with a couple of waxed images from the kit in there. There is a little bit of room to tuck something in here at the back if wanted. There's a little waxed honey jar there, that's also from the kit. And here's the other side of the other label with another journaling card tucked into that pocket. And we've got the same kind of little pocket here with 3 tuck spots. I mean, a little tuck spot pocket here on this side. Ooh, a little bit of a squeeze. It's a bit awkward with the camera where it is. This opens up with some journaling space, and I've done some stamping and again some embossed paper with some wax to give it a bit of a sheen. And then there's a little pocket here on the side with a journaling card in it. And the same kind of fabric pocket with another image from the kit. Also a little poem as such. And the rest of the vintage ledger and a little stamped journaling card. This is some vintage crinkly paper from a photo album. Images from the kits. And here's another tuck spot with another one of these tag journaling cards where you could journal on the back of that. There's another window flip. Beautiful images from the kit. This piece is also from Andrea's wallpaper kit. One of them, I think she's got several. I think I used number 3. There's another big journaling card that I just added a couple of flashcards on. And another pocket that I made from one of the digital pieces from one of the kits. And another big belly band, the same with the embossed paper with a bit of sheen on it. And here I took a couple of images from the kit and also waxed those. Gives them a nice translucent look. And they fit nicely into the pocket normally. Okay. Some stenciling and another image from the kit. I love these blossoms here with the bees. It's very fitting for right now. Here I've put a big vellum pocket, just with a couple of tags on there. And then there's a couple of tags from Andrea's kits that are both backed. And then in the back there's a tuck spot. And there's just some vintage ephemera from my collection. And then there's the other side of that tracing paper. Another image from Mrs. Cog. And some more of the kit. And then this is a double tag. I won't open it up. It's just tied with a bow, but you can open it up and journal in there. And then, oh, there's a thread there that I need to cut away. Oh, it's all the way onto the other side. I didn't see that. I'll have to cut that away. And here is a big pocket where I just put another piece of vintage ledger. And this is some background paper from the kit, from the Spring Blossom kit, that one is. And then we come to the back, if I can grab it, yes. That's the other side of the wallpaper. And then here we have another couple of pieces of waxed ephemera, a little frame embossed piece of coffee filter, and then we've got the embossed vintage book page and a tag from the kit in the back. And that's her. She's, like I said, extremely chunky. So I will definitely, when I'm doing tall skinny journals, I will have to rethink just how bulky I make the ephemera. I'll have to reduce on the bulk, definitely. But all of this belongs to her, so that's the way she will be sold. I'll just have to take everything out and put it in a separate envelope just to keep her closed as well as possible. Okay, I thought that's it. If you have any questions about any of the images that you saw in the book that I maybe didn't mention, just leave me a comment down below in the comment section and I'll look it up and let you know. Other than that, I'll put the link to Artymaze down below in the description box. And I hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching. Have a great day and take care, guys, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.